The Concordex Mainnet officially launched on Monday, June 26, and we've put together a helpful guide to show off how to get started on Concordex. Concordex supports several wallets capable of working with SIS2 tokens and signing transactions. The Concordium wallet and CryptoX mobile wallet. Before you can start trading on Concordex, you need to access the app by connecting your wallet. I will use the Concordium wallet. Now that you're connected, you can start performing swaps. Choose the token you want to exchange and enter the amount. If you want, you can set slippage tolerance. Slippage is the difference between the market price of the asset and how much you're actually paying for it. Now, click Swap and confirm the transaction in the wallet. How to open a liquidity position or add liquidity to the existing pool. Go to the Analytics tab. The Analytics window provides a list of the different exchange or liquidity pools currently open on Concordex with other helpful information, like the total value locked, trading volume, fee rewards, and more. To add liquidity to one of the existing pools, click the one that you need. This opens the Exchange Pool Details window, which provides information about the spread, volume, and other details of the pool. Also, here you can see the price range and fee level. Click the Add Liquidity button. In the Select Price Range section, select one of three liquidity position type options. The first option, Concentrated Liquidity, set a specific price range. A second option, Full Range, provide liquidity across the entire price range. The third option, Single Side, provides liquidity to only one side of a trading pair. Concentrated Liquidity. Traditionally, in liquidity pools, liquidity is spread across all price ranges, meaning liquidity providers contribute assets that can be swapped at any price. In contrast, concentrated liquidity allows liquidity providers to specify a price range for their capital. This means that their liquidity is only used for trades that occur within the selected price range, effectively concentrating their liquidity. The advantage here is that it allows liquidity providers to earn higher fees by allocating their capital to price ranges where they expect more trading activity. However, the risk is that if the market price moves outside of their specified range, their capital is no longer used, and they stop earning fees. Full Range Liquidity. This refers to the traditional model where liquidity is spread evenly across all price points without a concentrated price range. While it guarantees that liquidity providers will earn fees regardless of the price movement, the returns may be lower since the capital is not optimized for trading activity. Single-side liquidity. Traditional automated market makers require liquidity to be provided in pairs, meaning that liquidity pools need to deposit an equivalent value of two tokens. This exposes liquidity providers to impermanent loss, a situation where the providers might have been better off holding the tokens individually rather than providing liquidity. On the other hand, single-sided liquidity allows liquidity providers to provide liquidity using just one token, reducing exposure to impermanent loss. The advantage is the reduction of risk and the ability to stay exposed to the upside of a specific token, but the disadvantage is usually lower yield compared to traditional pools as the liquidity providers share the rewards with a protocol that covers the other side of the pool. These are all different ways to manage and optimize liquidity provision. They each come with their own set of trade-offs, and liquidity providers should consider their own risk tolerance, market expectations, and yield objectives when deciding which approach to take. Concentrated liquidity offers the potential for higher returns, but comes with increased risks. Liquidity providers focus their capital on specific price ranges, allowing them to earn more fees from increased trade volume. If the market price moves out of their selected range, they no longer earn fees and face the risk of missing out on potential earnings. I choose concentrated liquidity. For mine price, enter a minimum price or change it by clicking plus or minus on the right and left from the price accordingly. If turned off, the value is a very small number, almost zero. For max price, enter a maximum price or change it by clicking plus or minus on the right and left from the price accordingly. If turned off, the value is a very large number. We show it as infinity in the interface. In the Select Fee Level section, select a fee level you want to add your liquidity to. Concordex offers 8 different fee levels to choose from, ranging from 0.1 to 1.1.28, and you can see under which fee level liquidity is currently concentrated. In the deposit amount section, enter the number of tokens you want to deposit to the pool. When you enter an amount for one token, it automatically adjusts for the other based on the spot price and the price range. Confirm the transaction. When your transaction is submitted, your new position is added to the pool, and you are redirected back to the liquidity window, where you can view and manage your open positions. Create a new liquidity pool. If the analytics window doesn't have a liquidity pool with the pairs you want to add, you can create it. Firstly, go to the Liquidity tab and click Add Liquidity. Secondly, in the Add Liquidity to Pool window that opens, select Token Pair. If the exchange pool doesn't exist on Concordex yet, you should set up the initial spot price as the first liquidity provider. Make sure to set up a spot price close to the fair market price. Otherwise, you may lose money. Also, specify the price range, commission level, and the amount of each token you want to add to the pool. What to do if tokens not showing up in your wallet? Because Concordex is the first DEX in the Concordium ecosystem, the assets you trade on the platform may not appear in your wallet at first. Don't panic. Your tokens are safe, however. You need to manually import your tokens into your wallet. Next to the title of each asset, you can see a 4-digit number known as the index, which you need to import into your wallet. In both the Concordium wallet and CryptoX mobile wallet, you need to click Manage and enter this 4-digit index to load the token in your wallet. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can contact us through our social networks. Have a great time using our platform.